Just for a moment is the familiar phrase people use when parking in the wrong place. It sounds harmless, but the consequences spread faster than expected. In this clip, the camera captures the exact moment when confidence meets the wrong situation. Welcome to Park Time, where karma shows up right on schedule. I'm sure the owner didn't enjoy seeing this happen to their beloved car.
Hit it right into the U-Haul.
Parking wrong just a little, and suddenly you're getting some fresh air. The car parked slightly wrong. Next thing you know, a forklift offers a VIP exit. Never challenge a determined man. The outcome can be unpredictable. Before opening your car door, do you check the mirror? Be honest in the comments. A three-wheeler can't move? No problem. We'll move the car instead. When space is limited, creativity helps, but parking laws still matter. Knowing exactly where you're right can make everything much quieter. A one-to-one illustrated version, no subtitles needed. He has a bit of a temper, but I like how he handled the situation. Think carefully before acting. The price to pay can be high. She's not parking. She's taking a test of endurance skills. What about you? What would be the first thing you do in this situation? If the situation feels out of control, taking a step back is always the wiser choice.
Nah, it looks like an expired meter. They didn't come back in time, those guys.
Following traffic laws is better than resisting the authorities. I'm guessing she was the one who suggested this parking spot. No scratches at all, just handled with extra care, like a fragile item. Someone must have covered his eyes. There's no way this happens twice by accident. You try to park, but the space behind has a different opinion. Maybe we shouldn't block someone else's front door without permission. This guy clearly has years of forklift driving experience. The consequences of illegally parking in front of someone's home.
Run.
How would you handle a situation like this? Let me know in the comments. That's some impressive parking, but I strongly advise against copying it. Never underestimate a woman's driving skills. This isn't reversing its ballet in the parking lot. Some cars park near the curb, this one parks near the wall. Not every obstacle can be moved. Sometimes it's better to avoid it altogether. Reversing is easy. The real challenge is getting out of this parking lot. How would you feel if a stranger parked right in front of your house, blocking your way in and out?
No.
This prank isn't funny at all. Careful observation, early slowing down, and gentle handling are key when driving in the rain. Looks great, but you might have taken the wrong car. Just a few seconds checking the front can prevent an unnecessary accident. The safety distance is short today, but the emotions run deep.
Oh my God!
Who says the space under a car is only for shade? For cats, it's a private gym. The parking spot has a great view, just a bit wetter than expected. How many years of experience do you think this driver has? What exactly is going on here, do you know? Reversing like this puts both the car and people at serious risk. Take it easy. Are you rushing to confront someone or what? 1 minute late can change everything. Stay calm, driver. Must be a gearbox issue. Nothing to do with the female driver, right? When the car doesn't respond as expected, don't panic. Stop completely. It's the safest option. Successful people always choose their own path. A reminder to keep practicing driving. Your safety always comes first. When things get difficult, let the professionals handle it. That feeling when it's just enough to make you break a sweat. Just stepping into the store for a moment. No need to look so shocked. I told you you can't park here. This spot is VVIP only. Would this be a moment you'd remember for the rest of your life? Stay calm, step out, and handle it carefully. This is getting dangerous. One small mistake while reversing can trigger a rapid chain reaction. It's nerve-wracking to watch, but a reminder that safety always starts with staying calm. Don't push your luck, he'll send you straight out. One parking spot, one rushed decision, and another story for park time. If you enjoy moments that are funny yet hard to believe, don't forget to follow the channel.